So the C6L error, they say to replace this temperature sensor. So this one, if you look in there, you can see that it damaged completely. So this is the original one. It doesn't really look any different from the one that I actually purchased, other than certain part the colors are a little different. So these two that I purchased, which is this and this, are the same. But when I install this one, I still get the error, the C6L error, this for low temp. So it's working there right now. So if anyone has this problem that the error still shows up when you replace the sensor, this is what you gotta adjust. So there's a little glue, just like this one was over here. Now there's a flat screw here. So right now I have the pot it warming, so I'm gonna cancel that. So this screw here, you have to turn it anti-clockwise. That click, so you see that it given the arrow. So you turn it anti-clockwise and the arrow is gone. So you have to turn it, it's going to be clockwise, so you have to turn it anti-clockwise. So you're going into this direction, and you don't have to turn it a lot, just a little. So if I turn it, you hear that click. So you're going to turn it very slowly, and as soon as you hear that click, that's the way to fix it. You could go ahead and put a little glue back there or so, because you don't really want this to move. But that's if anyone still have this error, the C6L or H error.